why it's a bad idea to buy a home without an inspection. Not having a home inspection performed when buying a home can be a risky move. Many people make this mistake to only end up with costly repairs and maintenance later. Not having a home inspection can leave you vulnerable to hidden problems that could be very expensive to repair. Issues like electrical and plumbing problems, mold, pest infestations, and structural damage that may surface once you've moved in, leaving you with expensive repair bills. An inspector will thoroughly examine the home's exterior and interior for signs of safety, function, and structure. An accurate assessment of the property's condition can help you make an informed decision about your purchase, helping to reduce any post-closing expenses. So before buying your home, it is important to have it inspected by us to ensure that your investment is safe, secure, and functions properly.